I hope my screen is visible to all of you, right? Guys, for example, this is guys switch. First thing, what is the use of switch? We can connect multiple end user device in our LAN network, right? Everyone, yes or no? Tell me. This is the use of switch, na?
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Because if you want to create a network, for example, that is the PC1 and that is the PC2. If you connect PC1 and PC2 like this, there is no problem. You can connect. But tell me, here in this case, that is called network, because what is the definition of network? Definition of network is when two or more devices are connected with each other and share the resources with each other. That is called network. So here two devices are connected and both devices are sharing the resources with each other also. And yes, that is called network. That is no problem. But tell me one thing, if I want to extend a network, मैं चाह रहा हूं अपने नेटवर्क को और बड़ा करना, is this possible? For example, I come with the PC number 3 and I connect the PC number 3 like this. Answer is no. आपके लैपटॉप में, आपके पीसीज में हाउ मेनी एनआईसी कार्ड यू गाइस विल गेट? आपको दो ही एनआईसी कार्ड मिलेंगे. एक तो आपको एक लैन अडेप्टर मिलेगी और एक आपको वाईफाई अडेप्टर मिलेगी. यस और नो? टेल मी. राइट ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it means maximum you can connect only one device with your LAN network. This is not possible like this. If you want to big your network, if you want to extend your network, definitely you need a networking device. Yes or no? Either you need a router, either you need switches. Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Now come to the switch. When if you want to make communication possible in the same network, I mean in the LAN network, in the same LAN network, what do you need, guys? You need a switch. If you want to make communication possible in the different subnet means different network, what do you need, guys? You need
A router.
Router.
Clear, guys? Anything here? Anyone who do not understand? Is this clear? That is the basic thing. Okay. Now, you know one thing, I hope everyone know, I think we discussed these things in the packet flow. Whenever you ping, for example, this is the switch, PC number 1, PC number 2, PC number 1, router, PC number 2. Getting my point, everyone? That is PC number 1 and PC number 2, though two PCs are there with the connect with the switch, and here this is connect with the router. Now, for example, here I configure IP address 10.1, here I configure 10.2, here I configure 10.1, and here I configure 20.1. IP address is fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 10.10, 20.10. For example, if you write here ping 10.2, PC number 1 will generate the ARP request. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Right? Okay. When you write here ping 20.1, PC number 2, PC number 1 also generate, guys, ARP
Request.
Now, if you guys remember, I told you ARP request is broadcast, ARP reply is unicast. Right na, everyone? It
Yes,
means
sir.
when PC number 1 will generate the ARP request, that is the broadcast packet. Yes or no? Right? When this packet reach on the switch, what switch will do? Switch will check. First of all, switch perform, guys, which task, guys? Learning task. Right na? In learning task, switch maintain the which table, guys? MAC address table. I think I already explained you in the packet flow class. Right na, everyone? So switch perform
Yes,
the
sir.
learning task. Once switch will perform the learning task, switch will check what is the destination MAC. That is FFF. Switch will forward this packet through all the interface except जिस पे उसने receive किया है. Right ना, everyone? Yes or no? right?
Yes.
Switch will forward this packet through this interface. PC number 2 will receive it. PC number 2 will generate the ARP reply. Packet reach here and switch forward this packet here, PC number 1. Getting my point? Yes or no? Are tell me, right? Come here in this scenario. This generate the ARP request, packet reach here on this router. What router do? Router generate the ARP reply, come here. Again, PC number 1 generate the ICMP request. ICMP request come on to the router. Router again generate the ARP request here towards this router. This router generate the ARP reply, come to the here. Again, this your ICMP packet was expired, so it will drop here. Again, PC number 1 generate the what? Second ICMP packet? Yes or no? Packet reach here
Yes.
on the router, router forward here. That is PC number 2 generate the ICMP reply, reach on router, router back forward here. Right now, I hope these things clear to all of you. Done na? Anyone here who do not understand? Now, in this scenario, are you guys able to see one thing? Please see very carefully. When PC number 1 is sending the ARP request, packet reach on the switch, and switch is forwarding the same ARP request towards the PC number 2. But when PC number 1 is sharing the ARP request, packet reach on the router, and this router is not going to forward your your ARP request towards the PC number 2. अरे ये राउटर आपका ARP रिक्वेस्ट को PC नंबर 2 की तरफ फॉरवर्ड नहीं कर रहा. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ये राउटर आपके रिक्वेस्ट का रिप्लाई कर रहा है. यस और नो? बट इन केस ऑफ which is forwarding your packet towards the destination, but router is not forwarding. Understand everyone? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right? So there are two things. Switch आपके ब्रॉडकास्ट पैकेट को सोर्स के एंड से डेस्टिनेशन की तरफ फॉरवर्ड कर रहा है, बट राउटर आपके ब्रॉडकास्ट पैकेट को दूसरे नेटवर्क में फॉरवर्ड नहीं कर रहा. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट एवरीवन? यस और नो? डन ना? अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ
Yes.
on the basis of this thing we can say one thing कि भाई जब आपके पास ब्रॉडकास्ट पैकेट हो, कैसी पैकेट हो गाइस? whenever you have a broadcast packet and if you have a router, when router receive any broadcast packet, router is not going to forward your packet from one network to another network. Yes or no? Tell me. Right?
Yes, sir.
Right na? It means router is breaking or blocking your broadcast packet at layer number 3. लेयर नंबर 3 पे आपके ब्रॉडकास्ट पैकेट को कहीं ना कहीं ये क्या कर दे रहा है? ब्रेक कर दे रहा है, ब्लॉक कर दे रहा है. राइट ना एवरीवन? यस और नो? टेल मी. राइट?
Yes.
नाउ if you have a switch, if you have a you are sending any broadcast packet reach on the switch is immediately forwarding your packet towards the destination. ये आपके पैकेट को L2 लेवल पे ब्लॉक नहीं कर रहा, because switch is a L2 device, router is a L3 device. yes or no? बट राउटर आपके पैकेट को L3 लेवल पे ब्लॉक कर रहा है, स्विच आपके पैकेट को L2 लेवल पे ब्लॉक नहीं कर रहा. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट एवरीवन? टेल मी यस और नो? क्लियर?
Yep.
Okay. Now the most important thing. In a network, in a real-time network, we do not want to forward your packet every time to every device. Yes or no? हम कभी भी ये नहीं चाहते कि हमारा जो भी नेटवर्क है और जो भी पैकेट्स हैं वो सारे के सारे डिवाइसेस के. अब एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं. फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस इज माय कंपनी फ्लोर. दिस इज माय कंपनी वन फ्लोर. ये मेरा एक फ्लोर है कंपनी का. एंड ऑन दिस फ्लोर there are some clients are there. For example, यहाँ पे ना LinkedIn भी बैठा हुआ है, Zoom भी बैठा हुआ है. These are the two clients. These user is from LinkedIn, this from LinkedIn, that is from Zoom, that is from Zoom, and that is the HR. Now, I hope if you guys remember, I told you one thing for every new client we are assigning the new network. Yes or no? Right ना? अरे हम हमेशा नए clients को नए network ही देते हैं, right ना? This is not possible. On LinkedIn I provide the same network and on Zoom I provide the same network. That is not possible. That is not the good thing. Right everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
For example, on LinkedIn I provide the network 10.23.0.24 something, and here I provide something. For I'm just giving you example, guys. 25.0 something, and here I provide 10.10.50.0 slash something. It means these are in the different, these are in the different, and these are in the different. For example, if you write here one command, ping 255, 255, 255, 255. First of all, tell me 255, 255, 255, and 255. That is called unicast, multicast, broadcast. Which IP address is this?
Broadcast.
This is the broadcast IP address. Exactly. It means your packet will generate here. This PC will generate the broadcast packet. Yes or no? Right? Packet reach here on the switch. What switch will do? Switch will forward this packet here, 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 here. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Tell me one thing. If LinkedIn user is generating the packet, is this necessary to forward the packet towards the Zoom and HR? अगर LinkedIn का कोई यूजर कोई पैकेट फॉरवर्ड कर रहा है तो क्या ये जरूरी है कि भाई Zoom और HR के एंड पे भी जाए? नहीं ना, बिकॉज Zoom और HR के लिए तो वो पैकेट क्या है, अननेसेसरी है ना भाई, वेस्ट है. यस और नो?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then why we are sending the same packet towards the Zoom and HR? That is not necessary. That is useless. Getting my point, everyone? इससे क्या
Yes, sir.
प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? एक तो आपकी कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी लूज हो रही है, यानी कि आप अपना कॉन्फिडेंशियल डेटा आप दूसरे क्लाइंट्स की तरफ भेज रहे हो. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग, यू आर अननेसेसरी, यू गाइस आर यूटिलाइजिंग दिस लिंक, राइट ना? आप इस लिंक के बैंडविड्थ को वेस्ट कर रहे हो, बिना मतलब का यूज कर रहे हो. यस और नो एवरीवन? राइट? सो दीज आर द थिंग यू गाइस आर डूइंग. इट मींस if you guys want break the broadcast domain at layer number 2, you need to do something. because आप switch यूज कर रहे हो. आप अगर राउटर यूज कर रहे होते तो आपके पास L3 लेवल पे राउटर आपके ब्रॉडकास्ट पैकेट को ब्लॉक कर रहा था, बट स्विच तो ब्रॉडकास्ट को ब्लॉक ही नहीं कर रहा. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? यस और नो? नाउ आवर मेन प्रायोरिटी इज to break the broadcast domain at layer number 2. Yes or no? Hey guys, what is our responsibility? Our responsibility is to break the broadcast domain at layer number 2. Because right now, how many clients are there? Total 3 clients are there. But how many broadcast domain is there? Only one broadcast domain. Broadcast domain means whenever any packet reach on the switch is forwarding through all the interface. It means here all switch is considering all the interface as the same domain. अरे switch यहाँ पे सारे इंटरफेस को एक ही डोमेन में कंसीडर कर रहा है, इसीलिए उसे पैकेट को सारे क्लाइंट्स की तरफ फॉरवर्ड कर रहा है. यस और नो? टेल मी गाइस. राइट ना? So what is our task? Our task is first of all break the broadcast domain at layer number 2. So what is the solution? If you want to break the broadcast domain at layer number 2, we have a concept of VLAN. Switching में हमारे पास क्या concept होती है guys? VLAN की concept होती है. Getting my point everyone? If you are using L3 device or router, you have a concept of network ID, right ना? आप network ID के basis पे broadcast domain को break कर सकते हो. Getting my point? But if you are using the L2 device like switch, and if you want to break the domain, you need VLAN. What you need, guys? You need VLAN. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Tell me. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So basically, if you want to break the broadcast domain at layer number 2, we can break the broadcast domain with the help of VLAN. And when you create the VLAN, it will help you to unnecessarily send the traffic through all the interface. Getting my point, everyone? Done, na? Tell me, guys. Okay.
Sir, yes, sir.
Now what we are doing, guys, generally on layer number 2 on switch, we are configuring the VLAN. What we are configuring, guys? We are configuring the VLAN. Fine. What is the range of VLAN? Range of VLAN is from 0 to 4095. That is the range of VLAN. Getting my point? VLAN number 1. VLAN number 1. That is called, guys, default VLAN. On every switches, you guys will get VLAN number 1. That is the by default VLAN. Even you can't delete it. Even you can't rename it. Nothing you can do on VLAN number 1. आप VLAN number 1 पे कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. That is the by default VLAN. Fine. तो आप यूज कहां से करोगे गाइस? VLAN number 2 से लेकर के कहां तक? 4095 तक. But VLAN number 2 to 1001. That is called standard VLAN. इसे क्या बोलते हैं गाइस? That is called standard VLAN. Are you getting my point? Tell me. That is called standard VLAN. And or in multiple book, you guys will get this is called the normal range of VLAN. Even you can create, even you can add it, even you can delete, everything you can do here. Getting my point? Understand? The next one is, guys, 1002 to 1005. That is also reserved. Nowadays हम इसे यूज नहीं करते. That is also reserved by Cisco. ये पुराने टेक्नोलॉजी पहले के टाइम में टोकन रिंग वगैरह हुआ करती थी, वहां यूज होता था. Nowadays we are not using this one. तो यूज कहां से करते हैं गाइस? 10006 to 4094. This is called extended. This is called, guys, extended VLAN. Getting my point? Are tell me. In our coming classes, I will explain you there are basically two types of VLAN. First one is L2 VLAN and second one is L3 VLAN. That is something, guys, L3 VLAN. We are using extended range VLAN as a L3 VLAN. Clear? Everyone, tell me. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see one thing very carefully. For example, hi Bhaskar. Okay, let me unmute yourself. Good. Guys, focus here.
Yes,
For
sir.
example, that is PC number 1, PC number 2, PC number 3, PC number 4, and PC number 5. I told you by default, VLAN number 1 is configured on the switch. And all the port is the part of VLAN number 1. Clear? It means, guys, see very carefully. Whenever, for example, IP address is 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, and 10.5. When you ping here 10.5, this PC will generate the packet source MAC is 0A. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Destination MAC is, for example, this PC know what is the MAC address of this device. Let's assume destination MAC is 0B, source IP is 10.1, destination IP is 10.5. Packet reach on switch. What switch will do? Who can tell me? First of all, switch will perform the learning task. Switch will check, I am receiving this packet on which interface, guys? 0 by 0. Switch will check in this packet what is the source MAC address. That is, what is the source MAC address? 0A. Switch immediately learn this information in which table? MAC address table. CAM table. And this entry will be for how much time? 300 seconds. Now switch will take what? Forwarding decision. What switch will take, guys? Switch will perform the forwarding decision. Switch will check what is the destination MAC address. What is this, guys? 0B. Switch will check 0B is present in my MAC address table. Answer is no. 0B is not present in my MAC address table, and that type of condition is called unknown unicast flooding. Yes, na? Remember, guys, everyone? Yes or no? In previous class
Yes.
packet flow, I
Yes, sir.
told you, right? That is called unknown unicast flooding, because this packet is unicast, but this packet is unknown for this switch, because when switch check the entries in the MAC address table, switch will not found anything. इसीलिए switch के लिए ये पैकेट क्या है? अननोन है. इसीलिए इस पैकेट को क्या बोला गया? अननोन यूनिकास्ट बोला गया. और स्विच क्या परफॉर्म करेगा? अननोन यूनिकास्ट फ्लडिंग परफॉर्म करेगा. And in unknown unicast flooding, what switch will do, guys? Switch will forward this packet through all the interface which is except जिस पे उसने रिसीव किया है. Yes, no, everyone? Yes or no? Tell me. Right?
Yes, sir.
So switch will forward this packet through this interface, this interface, this one, this one. But again, that is something like a broadcast. Yes or no? अरे ये broadcast की तरह ही दिख रहा है ना? Everyone.
हाँ, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
But what I told you, these are different client, and this is HR. So is this necessary to forward your packet towards here? ये कोई जरूरी है? नहीं है ना जरूरी इधर forward
No.
करना. But again, switch is doing. Why? Why switch is forwarding through all the interfaces? Why? The reason is, by default on switch, which VLAN is configured, guys? VLAN number 1. And all the interface here, all the interface by default is the part of which VLAN?
1.
VLAN number 1. Getting my point, everyone? That's the reason whenever packet will receive on the switch, again think very carefully. Switch, first task switch will perform, learning. Second task switch will do, guys, forwarding. But before forwarding, switch will check that I am receiving this packet on which interface? 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is part of which VLAN? Switch will found. This is the part of VLAN number
1.
1. It means I need to forward this packet through all the interface which is the part of VLAN number 1. So that's the reason here all the interface is the part of VLAN number 1. So that's the reason switch is forwarding your packet through all the interfaces. Getting my point, everyone? Do you guys understand why switch is forwarding this packet through all the interface? This is the reason. Because your all the interface is the part of same VLAN. Clear, guys? Everyone? Yes or no? Tell me.
That is default VLAN.
That is the default VLAN. Yes. Now, what is the solution? If you want to break the broadcast domain, you need to configure what? You need to configure. अगर आप चाहते हो डोमेन को ब्रेक करना, कि अगर लिंक्डइन वाला भेज रहा है तो ट्रैफिक लिंक्डइन की तरफ ही जाए, जूम भेज रहा है तो जूम की तरफ ही जाए, एचआर भेज रहा है तो एचआर ही समझे. Getting my point? In this case, what you need to do? You need to configure the VLAN. Getting my point, everyone? Yes or no? Is this clear? So for
Yes.
example, for LinkedIn, if I configure, for example, VLAN number 10, for Zoom, I configure VLAN number 20, and for HR, I configure VLAN number 30. But previously, what was the thing? अरे पहले क्या था? सारा का सारा इंटरफेस एक ही VLAN के अंदर था. It means for this switch, all the interface is the part of same domain. Yes or no? यही तो था.
Yes.
बट अगर आप VLAN कॉन्फ़िगर कर रहे हो, इफ यू आर कॉन्फ़िगरिंग द VLAN, इट मींस आप क्या कर रहे हो? स्विच के इंटरफेस को डिफरेंट डोमेन में डिवाइड कर रहे हो. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes.
Yes. So for example, if you configure VLAN number 10 for LinkedIn, it means these two interface will be the different domain, these two will be in the different domain, and this will be in the different domain. समझ में आया? अगर आपने ऐसा किया, फिर अगर आपने कोई ब्रॉडकास्ट पैकेट भेजा यहां से स्विच के ऊपर, स्विच क्या करेगा? Switch again perform, guys, learning task. After learning, switch will check the forwarding. But before forwarding, switch will check this interface is the part of which VLAN. 0 by 0 is the part of VLAN number 10. Yes or no? Right? Switch
Yes.
will forward this packet through all the interface, which is the part of VLAN number 10 only,
10.
not for every. So, who is the part of VLAN number 10? This interface, no only. ये interface है ना आपका VLAN 10 में.
Yes.
Yes or no? Switch will forward your packet through only this interface, not going through every interface. Is this clear? Everyone, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is the use of VLAN. So when we configure the VLAN, by the help of VLAN, what we can do? We can break the broadcast domain. Is this clear? Everyone. Done, na? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how can we configure the VLAN? Who can tell me? What is the command to configure the VLAN? Everyone. Now, if I ask you, if I give you the task, how to configure the VLAN. For example, let me take one switch. For example, I take one switch and I hope my screen is visible, right? Everyone.
Yes.
For example, these are the PC user. These are the laptop user. Again, there is one PC user. Again, there is laptop user. I hope everyone already installed the packet tracer, right, guys? I'm not getting response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for example, come to the PC. Here I am shining 10.0.0.1. That is, come to this one, 10.2. This is fine. Guys, इसको ऑन भी करना पड़ता है क्या? पता है क्या?
नहीं नहीं शायद ऑन रहता है.
कौन रहता है?
सही है ना? 7 ही तो होगा. Okay. Guys, first of all, how can we configure the VLAN? Who can tell me? Come to the switch. CLI. Enable. Show VLAN. I told you na there is there are some VLAN that is by default. VLAN number 1 is by default there, right now, and all the interface is a part of VLAN number 1.
VLAN.
And 102, 3, 4, 5, I told you, na, these are also reserved for the old technology. Done, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear? Okay. Now, for example, I come here on this PC. I come to the command prompt. I am writing ping 10.0.0.7, any IP address. It will generate any ARP packet. Yes or no? Tell me, guys. Right, na? Are tell
Yes.
me. The ARP
Yes, sir.
packet, na? Come to the, what is the destination address? FFF. That is the broadcast packet, right?
Olive.
Tell me. What switch will do? Switch will forward this packet through all the interface. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Right, na? But
Yes.
the scenario is, for example, these are different client. Getting my point? These are different client. And for example, these three are in different client. Getting my point? Understand everyone? Yes or no? And
Yes.
for example, these three are different client. Then in this case, is this necessary to forward the packet like this? Tell me. No, because see na, what switch will do? Switch is forwarding the packet through all the interface. Every PC is dropping this packet. Why? Because every PC check what is the destination IP address. Destination IP address was 10.7. Every PC will check my IP address is different, not 10.7. So all the PCs drop this packet except this laptop. Yes, na everyone. So this laptop will
Yes.
generate the reply. That is the ARP request or reply. ARP reply. That is the unicast. So that's the reason this reply is coming to the PC number 0 directly. But what about the broadcast packet? Whenever device is generating the broadcast packet, switch is forwarding this packet through towards all the client. But that is not good. Yes or no? Tell me, guys. Right now?
Yes.
Guys, tell me.
That is
Right.
all interface is going to.
Yes. So what is the solution? Who can tell me? What is
To stick
the,
with the different VLANs.
we need to create the VLAN, right? For example, come here. Global configuration mode. How can you configure the VLAN, guys? I am configuring VLAN number 10. Name is LinkedIn data.
There is a gap, a space with LinkedIn and between the data.
Oh, got it. LinkedIn data like this.
You
Real
have
time
to
you
write the name at first.
VLAN number 10. Name is LinkedIn. Fine. We create one VLAN number 10. Now, guys, VLAN number 20. Name is, for example, Zoom. And third one is, guys, VLAN number 30. Name is HR. I created 3 VLAN. Done? Everyone. Tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. VLAN number 10. That is for VLAN number 10 we created for
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn. Let me check here description we can write or not. That is the problem in the packet tracer. Even in the real-time scenario, we can write the description for every VLAN. Okay. Okay, no problem. Now, how can you check, guys? Show VLAN. When you check show VLAN, VLAN number 10, VLAN number 20, and VLAN number 30. These 3 VLANs are created here. Right now, everyone? Tell me. Done?
Yes, sir.
After that, what we need to do? We need to move every port according to this VLAN. Right now, yes or no? Tell me. For example, that is LinkedIn. That is LinkedIn. So what is the interface? Tell me, what is the interface?
F 0 by 2 and 0 by 6.
0 by
0 by
1,
1 and 0 by 2.
0 by 2. Clear?
VLAN 10 linked in.
I am writing interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1. What is the command to move the VLAN, guys? Anyone? First of all, the basic information, switch port,
Switch port,
Mode.
access.
mode,
First of all, you need to write
access.
this command. First of all, you
Switch
need to
port,
write this command because there are two types of interface. First one is called access interface and second one is called trunk interface. Access interface means access mode means, guys, particular that interface belongs to any one particular VLAN. That is called access. What do you mean by trunk? Trunk means that through this port multiple VLAN data can carry. That is called trunk. Getting my point? I hope so. Clear. अरे एक्सेस का मतलब उस पर्टिकुलर पोर्ट से एक ही वीलैन का डेटा स्विच एक्सपेक्ट करेगा और ट्रंक का मतलब होता है कि उस वाले इंटरफेस से कोई भी वीलैन मल्टीपल वीलैन की डेटा आएगी जाएगी. दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रंक. नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग, हियर हु इज कनेक्टेड? एंड यूजर इज कनेक्टेड. यस यस और नो?
yes, yes,
अगर ये एंड यूजर कनेक्टेड है इस वाले इंटरफेस से, यानी ये एंड यूजर किसी एक ही वीलैन में तो होंगे. These
yes,
end user will be any one particular VLAN. Yes or no? Right?
yes,
It means this switch is expecting any particular VLAN, ना any one particular VLAN on this port. अरे कोई एक ही VLAN ना एक्सपेक्ट करेगा वो.
yes, sir.
राइट ना? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कभी VLAN 10 आ गई, कभी VLAN 20 आ गई, कभी VLAN 30. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना. कोई एक ही VLAN आएगा. Right? So if you are configuring any specific if you are configuring any port for any specific VLAN, you need to configure that port as a access port. समझ में आया? Clear है guys? Yes or no? So first command what we did, we write switch port mode access. After that, guys, what is the command? Switch port access VLAN.
VLAN 10.
VLAN 10.
मैंने क्या किया? VLAN 10 लिखा. Clear guys, everyone? Yes or no? Now check do show VLAN. अब जब मैंने do show VLAN लिखा, क्या दिख रहा है आपको? VLAN नंबर 10 दैट इज लिंक्ड इन एंड उस VLAN के अंदर कौन सी पोर्ट मूव हो गई? दैट इज फास्ट इंटरनेट 0 by 1. इज दिस क्लियर गाइस? एवरीवन टेल मी. डन ना?
Yes, sir.
क्लियरली. मेरे पास एक और पोर्ट है इंटरफेस फास्ट इथरनेट
0 by 2.
इंटरफेस फास्ट इथरनेट 0 by 2. स्विच पोर्ट मोड एक्सेस स्विच पोर्ट एक्सेस VLAN नंबर 10. डन? यस और नो?
Yes,
ओके. अब आ जाओ इधर. यहां मेरे पास कितने पीसीज हैं गाइस? हाउ मेनी पीसीज वी हैव? 3 ना. दिस इज कॉल्ड 0 by 3, this is called 0 by 4 and this is called 0 by 5. Yes or no? Right?
yes, sir.
And I want to move all the three interface in VLAN number 30.
Yeah.
तो आपके पास you have two option. Either you do one by one or either you can do in one step. There is one command, interface range fast Ethernet. कहाँ
Fast
से कहाँ तक? 0 by 2
3 to 5.
switch port mode
Mode
access. Switch port access
versus
VLAN.
VLAN 20.
Done na everyone? Yes or no? Do show VLAN. When I write VLAN, see na 3, 4, 5. These three interfaces is the part of now VLAN number 20. Is this clear, guys? Everyone tell me yes or no. Right? Again, we have 6, 7, and 8. So we need to move these three interface also. Interface range fast Ethernet 0 by अरे which one? कहाँ तक कर दिया
0
मैंने?
by
5 तक
6.
कर दिया ना?
0 by
0 by
6 to
6
0 by
to 8.
8.
Switch port mode access switch port access VLAN number 30. Done? Yes or no?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me. Okay. So MAC address table. MAC address table में कोई एंट्री है?
No.
No, sir.
No entry? Cool. I come here on, again I'm writing ping 10.0.0.7. Generate the packet. Packet reach under the switch. Packet reach on switch. Yes or no? Are you tell me,
Yes.
guys? Okay. This is the packet. Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
What is this is the ICMP packet. This is the ICMP header. ICMP packet hand over this packet to IP. IP, what is the source IP? 10.1. Destination is 10.7. Now it hand over to the layer number 2. At layer number 2, what is the destination MAC?
7 PC number.
9999C. That is the MAC address of PC number 7. Yes or no? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What it did? Tell me what it did.
It forward the packet to the VLAN number 10 PC.
Think very carefully. When I show you the MAC address table, are you guys able to see any entry in the MAC address table?
No.
Very good. It means PC number 1 generate the packet. In this packet, source IP is 10.1, destination IP is 10.7, source MAC is 0A, destination MAC is 0B. Packet reach on switch. What switch will do, guys? What switch will do? Now, so MAC address table. Switch learn the MAC address entry. VLAN number 10 on fast Ethernet 0 by 0. 0 by 0. I am receiving this MAC address. That is the MAC address of this PC. Yes or no? Done now?
Yes.
Okay. And this packet reach on the switch. Switch perform the learning task in MAC address table. Now come to the forwarding task. Switch will check what is the destination MAC address. That is 0B. Switch will check 0B in which table? MAC address table. In MAC address table is switch 0B is there? Answer is no. क्या 0B था वहां पे? नहीं था ना? अरे गाइस MAC address table में 0B था? नहीं था ना भाई? कोई भी एंट्रीज नहीं थी 0 MAC address table में. It means this is the condition of unknown unicast flooding. Are tell me yes or no? That is the condition
Yes,
of unknown unicast flooding. Agree? Are tell me, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in case of unknown unicast flooding, what switch is doing? Broadcasting ना? क्या कर रहा था switch इससे पहले? Broadcast ही तो कर रहा था.
Yes.
But why switch is not doing here broadcast? Because now we configure the VLAN, and now we put these two in the VLAN number 10, these two in VLAN number 20, and these three in VLAN number 30. It means now if you are pinging, switch will perform the broadcasting. Yes, but in the same domain, not for every domain. अरे ब्रॉडकास्टिंग तो अभी भी करेगा, बट वो सेम डोमेन में ही करेगा, दूसरे डोमेन में नहीं करेगा. दैट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ VLAN. समझ में आया? एवरीवन टेल मी यस और नो. टेल मी गाइस.
Yes, sir.
ओके, कम टू द स्विच अगेन. सो मैक एड्रेस टेबल. अभी भी कितनी एंट्रीज हैं? एक ही एंट्रीज है ना भाई? यस और नो? फाइन.
Yes.
Tell me, guys. Okay, come to this
Yes, sir.
PC. Command prompt. I am writing here ping 10.0.0.7. 10.0.0.7. Fine. I write here. Packet यहाँ है. चलो, इसने भेजा. Which type of packet is this? That is the unicast or broadcast? Broadcast packet is this. Right ना? अरे बता दो. ये broadcast
Yes,
packet
sir.
है. According to the basic behavior of the switch needs to forward this packet through all the interface. But see, कहाँ भेज रहा है? Only same
Same domain.
which is not forwarding the packet towards the HR, towards the LinkedIn. Getting my point? Yes or no? Tell me, guys.
Yes.
That is the use. Even for example, you come here on this PC. Even you write here ping 10.0.0.7. पैकेट रीच अगेन कोई एंट्रीज नहीं होगी, वहीं भेज दिया। इसके पास आ गई है ना भाई। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल this one and this one, these three are in the same VLAN or different VLAN? Same VLAN, that is
Same.
VLAN number 30. Fine. You ping here, it will generate the ARP request packet reach here. Switch check for 10.7. Do I have MAC address entries? Answer is no, I do not have MAC address entries, right ना। ये स्विच ने क्या किया, ब्रॉडकास्ट कर दिया सेम नेटवर्क में। फाइन, इसने क्या कर दिया, रिप्लाई, दैट इज यूनिकास्ट, कम्युनिकेशन हो गई। Getting my point, everyone? Yes or no? I hope everyone understand what is the exact use of VLAN.
Sir, unicast. Tell me, sir, again.
I am telling PC number 2 generate the ARP request.
Okay.
Fine, and that is the broadcast. Fine. Packet reach on the switch. Switch check. Source MAC is 0A. Destination MAC is 0D. Switch check. Do I have 0D in my MAC address table? Answer is no. Switch forward here. Cool. Understand?
Broadcast. Okay.
Packet reach here. Switch. This PC will check what is the source MAC. Switch perform. This PC learn this one in the ARP table. Now this PC check what is the destination IP address. Destination IP address is different. That is not my IP address. PC drop this packet immediately. Packet reach here. This will check. Yes, this is my IP address. This laptop accept it. Now it generates the ARP reply. In ARP reply, what is the source, guys? This PC MAC address, that is 0D, and destination will be, guys, this PC MAC address, because when this PC generate the ARP request, this PC already send its own MAC address. Yes or no? अरे ये अपना खुद का MAC address भेजा था ना, इसीलिए now this PCs know what is the MAC address of this PC. Getting my point? 0A forward to the switch. Now switch open the MAC address table. Switch already knows 0A is connected on which this interface. Switch forward this packet here. Understand everyone? Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So basically, guys, this is something about the VLAN, and basically this is
Sir,
why
this
we
is
are using a VLAN to just break the broadcast domain at layer number 2. To just break the broadcast domain at layer number 2, because if you are using the router, you have the network ID. On the basis of network, on the basis of subnet, we can break the broadcast domain there. But how can you break the broadcast domain at layer number 2? That is VLAN. Is this clear, guys, everyone? Yes or no?